Hi, here is a short screencast on how to create a secondary bulletin, those that show up in our emails every day. So from Moongate, I've already logged in. I hover over secondary, I click on bulletin, and here I can see the current bulletin. If I want to add a notice, I can select the date. So I want this in tomorrow's bulletin. I can put in a headline, iSpace calendar. And here I can copy and paste the message, or if I wanted to, I can type a message. I've already created it in Google Docs. I now can save this message either in the top or bottom, and it will show me if I go to individual notices. I can see the upcoming calendar, tomorrow's date, December 6th, iSpace calendar. If I want to do another one for another date, I can simply click on Add Notice, change the date, and I can put in the exact same notice, or I can change it. I paste again my message. I click Save. And now when I come, I can see the latest, December 6th. I can see the next one. Beyond next. And beyond next will give me here, I could see iSpace for December 9th. And if I had any other beyond December 9th, they would just show up here as I see here, January 8th. 7th and 6th. I hope this helps. Please let me know if you need any help. Bruce and I are always available to support you in any of your iSpace needs.